Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nirapod, Bangladesh. I am MD Islam. Dear viewers and respectable subscribers, thanks for view and subscribe. Today I am describing about adjective and its classification with example. Let's watch the video.
Welcome to Nirapod, Bangladesh. Now I am discussing about adjective. What is an adjective? Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. Words like small, blue, and sharp are descriptive, and they are all examples of adjectives because adjectives are used to identify or quantify individual people and unique things. They are usually positioned before the noun or pronoun that they modify. Some sentences contain multiple adjectives. Examples of adjectives. They live in a beautiful house. Here, beautiful is an adjective. Lisa is wearing a sleeveless shirt today. Sleeveless is adjective. She wore a beautiful dress. Beautiful is adjective. Types of adjective. At first, descriptive adjective. Second, quantitative adjective. 3. Proper adjective. 4. Demonstrative adjective. Number 5. Possessive adjective. Number 6. Interrogative adjective. Number 7. Indefinite adjective. Number 8. Article adjective. Number 9. Compound adjective. And 10. The degree of adjective. At first, I am trying to describe descriptive adjective. A descriptive adjective is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. Most of the adjectives belong in this type. These adjectives provide information and attributes to the nouns or pronouns. They modify or describe. Descriptive adjectives are also called qualitative adjectives. Participles are also included in this type of adjective when they modify a noun. Examples: I have a fast car. The word fast is describing an attribute of the car. I am hungry. The word hungry is providing information about the subject. So, we have come to know about the descriptive adjective here, fast and hungry. Number 2, quantitative adjective. A quantitative adjective provides information about the quantity of the nouns or pronouns. The type belongs to the question category of how much and how many. Examples: I have 2 bucks in my wallet. How much? They have 3 children. How many? They should have completed the whole task. How much? Number 3, proper adjective. Proper adjectives are the adjective form of proper nouns. When the proper nouns modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Proper means specific rather than formal or polite. A proper adjective allows us to summarize a concept in just one word. Instead of writing or saying a food cooked in Chinese recipe, you can write or say Chinese food. Proper adjectives are usually capitalized as proper nouns are. Example, American cars are very strong. Chinese people are hard workers. Marxist philosophers despise capitalism. Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective directly refers to something or someone. Demonstrative adjectives include the words these, that, these, those. A demonstrative pronoun works alone and does not precede a noun, but a demonstrative adjective always comes before the word it modifies. Examples: that building is so gorgeously decorated. That refers to a singular noun far from the speaker. This car is mine. This refers to a singular noun close to the speaker. These cars are cute. This refers to a plural noun close to the speaker. Those flowers are heavenly. Those refers to a plural noun far from the speaker. Number 5. Possessive adjective. A possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone or something. Some of the most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your. All these adjectives always come before a noun. Unlike possessive pronouns, these words demand a noun after them. Examples: my car is parked outside. His cat is very cute. Our job is almost done. Her books are interesting. Interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective asks a question. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. The interrogative adjectives are which, what, whose. These words will not be considered as adjectives if a noun does not follow right after them. Whose alone belongs to the possessive adjective type. Examples: which phone do you use? What game do you want to play? Whose car is this? Indefinite adjective. An indefinite adjective describes or modifies a noun and specifically they provide indefinite or unspecific information about the noun. The common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, etc. Examples: I gave some candy to her. I want a few moments also. Alone. I want a few moments alone. Several writers wrote about the recent incidents. Each student will have to submit homework tomorrow. Number 8. Article adjective. Articles also modify the nouns. So articles are also adjectives. Articles determine the specification of nouns. A and an are used to refer to an unspecific noun, and the is used to refer to a specific noun. Examples: a cat is always afraid of water. Here the noun cat refers to any cat, not specific. The cat is afraid of me. This cat is a specific cat. An electronic product should always be handled with care. Number 9. Compound adjective. When compound nouns or combined words modify other nouns, they become a compound adjective. This type of adjective usually combines more than one word into a single lexical unit and modifies a noun. They are often separated by hyphen or joined together by question mark. Example, I have a broken down sofa. I saw a 6 foot long snake. He gave me an I'm gonna kill you now look. Number 10, the degree of adjective. There are 3 degrees of adjectives. They are positive, comparative and superlative. Examples, positive degree, he is a good boy. Comparative degree, he is better than any other boy. Superlative degree, he is the best boy. Thanks for watching.
I hope all my viewers and subscribers are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah and by the praying of my viewers and subscribers. I hope and pray for my viewers and subscribers for their better life. Now today, Allah Hafiz.